I welcome you to this session of ISO 9001-2015, and today we are going to talk about clause number 7.1.4, environment for operation of processes. So as usual, first of all, I'll read out the requirement to you as given in the standard. The organization shall determine, provide and maintain the environment necessary for the operation of its processes and to achieve conformity of products and services. There is a note below. Note: a suitable environment can be a combination of human and physical factors such as A, B, C. A, social. For example, non-discriminatory, calm, non-confrontational. B, psychological. For example, stress reducing, burnout prevention, emotionally protective. And C, physical. For example, temperature, heat, humidity, light, airflow, hygiene, noise. These factors can differ substantially depending on the products and services provided. So this is the total requirement as given in the standard, and now let us discuss it in more detail. Well, as the topic goes, the clause is about the environment for operation of processes. Which processes? The processes which we are carrying out to produce the products or provide the services according to the order placed by the customer on us. So according to the requirement of the customer, we are supposed to provide the products and services. And for providing these products and services, we need a suitable environment in which our people can work really in a true manner, ensuring that the products are as specified and the services are as promised. So the organization will determine, that means the company has to determine what kind of environment is necessary, what all things are necessary, and provide those environment, those kind of things in the environment, and maintain the environment necessary for operation of its processes. And what for? To achieve conformity of products and services. That means ultimately our products and services have to meet the customer requirement. And there is a note below: a suitable environment can be a combination of human and physical factors such as A, social environment. That means our environment within the organization, within the factory or within the company has got to be non-discriminatory. That means we shall not be discriminating people of a particular type or caste or creed or on any basis. So no discrimination at all, and we have to provide a socially calm environment and an environment in which there is no confrontation. People are not against each other. So we have to have such an environment within the organization. And B is that psychologically what kind of environment is necessary. That means environment which can reduce the stress reducing environment. That means people are not worried unnecessarily about the process or about the product. They fully know the product or the services that has to be provided to the customer, and the process to produce that product or service is clearly known to them, is available with them, and they are confident about it, how to carry out that process. So that is another thing. So a suitable environment can be a combination of human and physical factors. So A, we discussed non-discriminatory, calm and non-confrontational, and B, psychological, that means stress reducing, burnout prevention, emotionally protective. So the organization has to be such which reduces the stress, which does not create unnecessary stress. So people should not be worried at all, either about the process or the product specification or the tools or tooling or safety aspects or anything. And burnout prevention, that means people should not be having stress in carrying out the process, no burning out. And emotionally protective, that means they are given support at all these stages by the top management and by the people who are supervising them. So emotionally they are protective. So people come and find out whether they have any problem or if they need any support. So whatever support is required by them, that support is provided, so that psychologically they are not having any stress and they are not having any burnout, and they are emotionally protective. And C is physical. Physically, are we providing an environment where the temperature is appropriate, where the heat is appropriate, where the humidity is controlled and light is sufficient, proper airflow is there, proper hygiene is there, and the noise level is well within control. So all these things come as part of the physical environment, and that physical environment has to suit the requirement of the people. That means temperature should be appropriate, there should not be unnecessary heat around, humidity at the workplace should be controlled, and proper lighting should be there, proper airflow, proper hygiene has to be maintained, and the noise level has to be well within the specified limits. So these factors can differ substantially depending on the products and services provided. It will depend on the environment in which our people are working. So our environment in which people are working has got to be controlled, so that all these social, psychological and physical aspects are controlled. They are well within the controlled limits and people feel comfortable working at their workplace. So this is all about it in this clause, and this is a small clause. I hope you have understood the requirement, but by any chance if there is anything which is not clear to you, please give your comment below this video and I will try to explain to you further about what is not understood by you. And if you are liking my videos, please give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and also share my videos with your friends and colleagues so that they are also able to take advantage of whatever we discuss. And last but not the least, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that the intimation regarding loading of my videos will reach you well in time. So thank you very much, and we meet again on next Sunday on class number 7.1.5, which is monitoring and measuring resources. Bye bye and see you again. Bye.